Automotive elastic mesh double needle bar warp knitting machines, where precision meets performance. Changzhou LongLongSheng crafts excellence for the automotive industry. Our professional double needle bar warp knitting machines specialize in automotive elastic mesh delivering full process production from yarn to finished product, with seamless integration of warping, knitting, forming, and quality inspection. Customizable elasticity, density, and patterns perfectly fit diverse needs. Automotive seats, interiors, and protective components. Full automation ensures consistent quality, superior wear resistance, and efficient production. Energy-saving design meets international standards, cutting waste while boosting output. Backed by 24/7 technical support, we empower your scalability and success. For top-tier automotive elastic mesh solutions, choose Changzhou LongLongSheng. Weave your way to automotive excellence. Changzhou LongLongSheng Warp Knitting Machinery Company Limited. Contact Lorna, tel +86 159 7716 7823. Email sales@dfjx.com.